everyone, I'm Rachel. My Chinese name is Yang. Today I want to share with you the news. China's Chang'e 5 sample return mission to the moon. And this is the outline of my video. First, we'll introduce some facts of Chang'e 5. China's Chang'e 5 mission returned on December 17, 2020. What should be the youngest ever moon samples to Earth? Chang'e 5 collected 1.7 kilometers, 3.7 pounds of material in total, completing the first moon sample return since the Soviet Union's Lunar 24 mission in 1976. Next, we'll talk about the 5 firsts that Chang'e 5 mission realized in China's space history. The first collection of samples from a celestial body. The first time probe takes off from the surface of a celestial body. The first unmanned and docking in lunar orbit. The first return to Earth with samples in escape velocity. And the first research and analysis of moon samples. Then, let's have a look at how Chang'e 5 works. No spacecraft has returned a sample of the moon to Earth since the Soviet Union's Lunar 24 mission in 1976. Chang'e 5 undertook this challenge using a architecture similar to NASA's Apollo missions. The spacecraft consisted of 4 pieces: a service module, a lander, an ascent vehicle, and an Earth return module. In lunar orbit, the lander and the ascent module descended to the surface while the service module and the Earth return module remained in orbit. The lander collected 1.7 kilometers, 3.7 pounds of samples using a mechanical scope and a drill that could burrow 2 meters underground. Finally, we'll explain why do we need moon samples. The samples should be the youngest ever returned to Earth, just 1.2 billion years old, when multicellular life may have already evolved on our planet. One of the most important analyses that researchers will perform is measuring the ages of the rocks in the samples and how they have been affected by the space environment over time. By studying samples from rocks that formed relatively late in the moon history, scientists will be able to better understand what was happening on the moon at a time when multicellular organisms may have already been present on Earth. Knowing the moon's history also helps us understand how Earth and the other worlds in our solar system evolved. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.